Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Mursal Ghazali and my team Rina Kurnianingsih, Sri Puji Astuti, Bambang Fajar Suryadi, Catur Retna Ningdiah, Wahyu Widoretno, and Estri Laras Aruming Tias. We are from Mataram University and collaborate with the Brawijaya University. Today, I will present the paper with the title The Distribution and Prevalency of Epiphytic Macroalgae on Cultivated Macroalgae in Lombok Island. Lombok Island has known as a producer of pearl, lobster, and abalone. Besides of that, Lombok is also known as seaweed producer that supply national and international demand. So, Lombok Island is used as the national cultivation center. However, seaweed development has various problems such as ice disease, herbivore, and epiphyte attached. The existence of epiphytic microalgae impact the disruption of the growth rate of the Cavaficus sp and can cause crop failure. We can see here in the figure that so many epiphytic that attach to the thallus of Cavaficus alvarezi. Some of the epiphytic genera found attached to the Cavaficus or host are the Polysiponia, Ceramium, Monosiponia, Padina, Hypnea, and Laurentia. Each species has a different distribution pattern and prevalency to attach different hosts. Some species can be found dominant in one location or one host but not found in other site or host. This paper aims to know the distribution and prevalency of macroalgae that grow on Cavaficus thallus in some culture center in Lombok Island. For the epiphytic sample, we spread location sampling in 3 districts, one in West Lombok, one in Central Lombok, and 3 in East Lombok. The latest information that the Nambung or the location number 1 since 2 months ago was no longer vibrant due to the crop failure. For each location, from location 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, we take the sample from 3 to 12 sampling point. Cavaficus alvarezi, when we preparation sample, we cleaned with the running water to separate sample from the sand. The epiphytic algae attached to the thallus are taken by tweezer, brushes, and placed on the glass object to observe under microscope. Identification, we use book of marine algae of the eastern tropical and subtropical coastal of the Americas by William 1979. And the data analysis, the data are present in the figure and table form and then analyzed descriptively. The descriptive analysis provide an overview of the research data and make it easy to understand. The data show that we collect some species of epiphyte. We can see in the figure number 2, the several type of epiphytic species are found in cultivated thallus of macroalgae. Mudeng 2007 says that the algae can survive in various ecological conditions by sticking to multiple types of substrate. Even very often found clinging as epiphytes on the surface of other organisms, including on the other algae that are generally oversized. Based on the collection and identification, we found 22 species of epiphytic algae at the seaweed or host thallus. The most widely discovered epiphyte are 15 species of Rhodophyta, 5 species of Chlorophyta, and 2 species of Hyophyta class. Bunga et al. 2018 found the presence of Neosiphonia sp on Cavaficus alvarezi in both of brown and green varieties cultivated in the water of Punaga village, Takala Regency. And Mulyaningrum 2019 obtained many species in the macroalgae cultivation center in Jeneponto. She got 6 species that grow on the surface of the Thallus cavapicus alvarezi. The name of the species is Enteromorpha intestinalis, Ceramium, Neosiphonia, Chaetomorpha crassa, Hypnea, and Gracilaria. Next, Table 1 show the distribution of epiphytes in seaweed cultivation center on the island of Lombok. There are 1 species found in all cultivation. So we can see here the Polysiphonia stricta we can find in all sites of the sampling locations. Besides epiphytic species were found that only grow in 1 cultivation location, like Chaetomorpha crassa, Ulva intestinalis, and Hypnea sp. The limited distribution of the 6 epiphytic species is probably due to the thallus size, which is quite large. The greater the epiphytic thallus, the greater the chance of being released from the host when the current is strong. Specifically for Hypnea and Ulva, it is more commonly found attached to the riser, which has a more rough surface. The epiphyte presence in cultivated algae is strongly influenced by the thallus epiphyte size, temperature, current strength, and level of surface roughness of the host macroalgae thallus. Thus, when a species is not growing in 1 location, doesn't mean that the species cannot grow. Several studies have provided information about epiphyte present in certain seasons or months. Pyrapan 2006 reported that the epiphyte prevalence and variability correlate with the season. Macroalgae cultivated in the dry season between March to June and September to November are vulnerable to the presence of epiphyte. In a stressful environment, Cavaficus alvarezi will adjust to change in anatomy, morphology, and physiology. Table 2 show the value of the prevalence rate of epiphytes in cultivated macroalgae hosts. The range of the value for the prevalence or propensity of epiphyte to infect the host was between 0.07 or 7% to 0.78 or 78%. This data indicate that each species has a different ability to infect a host. One of the reasons for this is the size of the epiphyte. The highest prevalence rate was Polysiphonia stricta at 78%. The data indicate that its ability to impact the cultivated host is very high, especially when the weather on the environment is The high ability of infection correlated with the impact of the damage or inhibition it causes. If we are specific to the location, Polycyponia also has a very high prevalence in Grupo B cultivation center. The prevalence value reaches 90%. This value indicates that almost the entire surface of the thallus host cultivated Polycyponia cover microalgae. The presence of Polycyponia on the thallus surface causes change in the thallus surface structure to become rugged. This condition increases the ability to attach the other algae spore and other organisms that have a destructive effect. Another species with a high prevalence value at the culture site is Hypnea brides, but it is large with a low number of infection. Thus, the effect is not very large on the growth of the host. Therefore, we can conclude that Polycyponia dramatically influences the development and damage of cultivated macroalgae. Bunga 2018 found that there are no difference the prevalence in the brown and green variety of Cavaficus alvarezi. Epiphyte prevalence increased with the increasing age of the host. This phenomenon occurs because the water are too fertile, the currents are low, and there is no distribution of nutrients. Another assumption is that the changing season during the research causes environmental conditions to change frequently. So we can make some conclusion about the research about the paper is one species of epiphytic macroalgae were found in all cultivation center. Three species were found in one cultivation center and other species are spread over several locations. And the prevalence of epiphytic macroalgae range from 0.7 to 0.78 or 7% to 78%. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.